In today's globalized and interconnected world, the concept of diversity within an organization has moved beyond a mere buzzword. It's now recognized as a fundamental pillar for innovation, productivity, and overall business success. As a project management expert, I understand the critical role that diverse teams play in bringing varied perspectives, experiences, and problem-solving approaches to the table, ultimately leading to more robust and successful project outcomes. This video will delve into the question of diversity at Scoro, a work management software company, examining the available information and offering insights from a project management perspective. Understanding diversity in the workplace. Before we focus specifically on Scoro, it's essential to establish a clear understanding of what diversity in the workplace truly encompasses. Diversity goes beyond visible differences like race, ethnicity, and gender. It includes a broader spectrum of characteristics, such as internal dimensions. These are aspects an individual is born with or that are deeply ingrained, including race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, age, physical abilities, and mental abilities. External dimensions. These encompass characteristics influenced by life experiences and choices, such as socioeconomic status, religion, education, marital status, parental status, work experience, geographic location, and habits. Organizational dimensions. These relate to an individual's position within a company, such as job function, seniority, management status, union affiliation, and work location. Worldview/perspective dimensions. These are the unique ways individuals perceive and interact with the world, often shaped by a combination of the above dimensions, including political beliefs, values, and cultural background. A truly diverse organization fosters an inclusive environment where all individuals feel valued, respected, and have equal opportunities to contribute and grow. Scrutinizing Scoro's approach to diversity. To assess the presence of diversity at Scoro, we need to look at the available information about their workforce, company culture, and hiring practices. While direct statistical data on Scoro's employee demographics might not be readily and publicly available, we can glean insights from their public statements and online presence. Scoro's career pages often include statements expressing their commitment to diversity and equal opportunity. For instance, several job postings explicitly state, "At Scoro, we're an equal opportunity employer and value diversity in our company. We do not discriminate based on race, religion, color, national origin, gender, sexual orientation, age, marital status, veteran status, or disability status." 1. www.scoro.com. www.scoro.com. This statement is a positive indicator, suggesting that Scoro acknowledges the importance of diversity and aims to create a non-discriminatory workplace. However, a written commitment is only the first step. The true measure of diversity lies in its implementation and the actual composition of the workforce. One publicly available piece of information from a few years ago, September 2022, indicated that Scoro was proud to have maintained our 50-50 gender split throughout our growth as a company to 160 global employees. This suggests a significant focus on gender diversity at that time, with women comprising a substantial portion of their workforce, including in extended management roles. However, it's important to note that diversity extends beyond gender. While achieving gender balance is commendable, a truly diverse organization would also strive for representation across other dimensions such as ethnicity, age, and background. Another point to consider is Scoro's global presence. With offices in Tallinn, Estonia, Riga, Latvia, London, United Kingdom, and remote teams, the potential for geographical and cultural diversity exists. A global team inherently brings together individuals from different cultural backgrounds and perspectives, which can be a significant asset. The importance of diversity in a project management software company. For a company like Scoro, which provides project management software and caters to a global clientele, diversity is particularly crucial for several reasons. Understanding diverse user needs. A diverse team is better equipped to understand the needs and challenges of a diverse user base. Individuals from various backgrounds can offer unique insights into how different cultures and industries approach project management, ensuring the software is adaptable and inclusive. Driving innovation. Diverse teams bring a wider range of perspectives and problem-solving approaches. This can lead to more creative and innovative solutions in the development and improvement of their software. Different viewpoints can challenge assumptions and foster out-of-the-box thinking. Enhancing global market reach. As Scoro operates in a global market, having a diverse workforce that reflects this global landscape can provide a competitive advantage. Employees with international experience and cultural understanding can facilitate better communication, marketing, and customer support in different regions. Improving team performance. Research consistently shows that diverse teams can outperform homogeneous teams. The variety of skills, experiences, and perspectives contributes to more comprehensive decision-making, better risk assessment, and more effective problem-solving in all aspects of the business, including software development, marketing, sales, and customer success. Fostering a positive company culture. A diverse and inclusive workplace promotes a sense of belonging and respect among employees. This can lead to higher employee engagement, increased job satisfaction, and reduced turnover. Employees who feel valued for their unique contributions are more likely to be motivated and productive. Strengthening brand reputation. Companies that are known for their commitment to diversity and inclusion often enjoy a stronger brand reputation. This can attract top talent, enhance customer loyalty, and improve stakeholder relations.